Then the cloud coverage builds in as we head into your Tuesday morning, but notice no rain just yet. So those morning commutes not going to be affected. As we head into lunchtime around 11 a.m., that's when we start to see the rain enter in over towards the shoals, and it's going to become more widespread as we head into 3 p.m. So our afternoon commutes back home from school and work, those could be affected. Notice the darker colors, the yellows and the oranges, that indicates heavier rainfall at some time. So something to be mindful of if you're going to be on the roads at that time. As we head into dinner time around 8 p.m., most of the rainfall stationed over towards the east side of the I-65 corridor. We start to trend a whole lot drier as we head into the overnight hours.